Railways Museum, Delhi. This is a wonderful place where kids and adults can explore, learn, and enjoy India's rich railway heritage. If you love trains and history, the National Rail Museum is definitely a place you should visit. One of my favorite attractions is the toy train ride. Riding around the museum on the little train is so much fun and makes the visit even more exciting. If you love trains, this is the perfect place to visit. The museum has a wonderful collection of historic steam engines, diesel and electric locomotives, royal coaches, and many other railway exhibits from different periods of Indian history. As we walk inside the museum, we can see different types of train engines, railway coaches, and miniature train models. Every train has its own unique story and shows how India's railway system has grown over the years. It's really interesting to learn about the history of Indian railways and how people traveled long ago. I had an amazing time exploring this wonderful place. If you are visiting Delhi with your family, don't miss the National Rail Museum. It's a perfect destination for learning, adventure, and making beautiful memories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.